Let's see if the Ninja AG301 Foodi 5-in-1 Indoor Electric Grill gives value for money. This versatile appliance promises to revolutionize your cooking with its air fry, roast, bake, and dehydrate capabilities. Here we go, the good points. 1. Versatility. The Ninja AG301 lives up to its 5-in-1 description, allowing you to grill, air fry, roast, bake, and dehydrate, all in one compact unit. 2. Cyclonic grilling technology. It gives dishes an incredible char-grilled flavor, rivaling outdoor grilling. 3. Ease of use. User-friendly and almost set and forget, it brings authentic outdoor taste to your kitchen. 4. Defrosting capability. From frozen to perfectly grilled chicken in under 25 minutes. Awesome, right? Now for the bad points. 1. Size. It's chunky, so you'll need ample kitchen space. 2. Experimentation required. While great for grilling and air frying, other cooking modes may need some trial and error, even with the cookbook included. 3. Storage. Finding a spot for this appliance might be a challenge. 4. No flip sign. Some users miss a clear indicator for flipping food. With all these, at $112.14, the Ninja AG301 still offers immense value for money.